Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we have another simple project to show you. It's an assembling project. We have to assemble a desktop and also an office chair. So I hope you're going to enjoy the project. So with no further ado, get subscribed, give us a like, hit the notification button so you won't miss any of our videos. We cover property maintenance and gardening services. So check our channel and you will be able to watch the video that interests you. So with no further ado, let's get started for this one. This is the office chair. We're gonna put that aside. The office chair have been assembled. We put that aside and do the desk. So I just want to show you the first part of the desktop that we need to assemble. We have the option either to put the drawer on the left or on the right hand side. So this is the first part. There is another part, the second part of the assembling is a piece that sits on top of the desktop. So when we come to that part, we're going to unbox that part also, and then we're going to assemble it. So following the manual, this is the stage where we can choose either we put it on the left hand side or on the right hand side, the drawers. So the client decided to use the right hand side drawers, so we're gonna follow the instruction of how to assemble the drawers on the right hand side. So at this stage, this is how the desktop looks like. Now we're gonna put the drawers. It's not complete yet, it is on the way. So at this stage, the first part of the desktop has been assembled. Next, we need to also assemble the part that will sit on top of the desktop. This is what we need to do next. But we can see the drawers. He has two drawers and one cupboard on the knee of the drawers. So this is a nice small desktop. Next, let's unbox the part that will sit on top of this desktop and we start assembling it. show you guys how the second part look. So this is how it look. So this is we already did this part. Now we are doing the top. So it's another piece that sit on top of the desktop to put more of your desktop items or instances. So to complete the assembly process, we need to bring the two pieces together and then screw them together. This is what we're going to do now. So guys, the assembling process of the desktop is now completed. As you can see, it's a very nice setup there, and with two different compartments of the desktop. So this is what was done today. And if we bring the chairs in, you can see the final product of this desktop, the chair and the office chair and the desktop. It's a very nice setting. Hello guys, thanks for watching the video. The project is now completed. I hope you enjoy watching it. So remember to subscribe, give us a like, and also hit the notification button so you won't miss any of our video. So thanks again for watching the video, and see you for the next one. Thanks.